Have you ever wondered how long it will take for your money to double when it is invested in a savings account? Calculus has the answer. Let's take a look at the first equation. 2a equals a times quantity 1 plus r to the nth power. If an amount a is invested at an interest rate of r, the problem is to determine n, where n is in years, to determine how long it will take to double your investment. Using simple algebra, we solve for n to get log of 2 over log of 1 plus r. Because you can choose any base for log, it turns out to be a good idea to change log to ln. So we get n equals ln of 2 over ln of 1 plus r. While it only took simple algebra to get to this step, this equation won't necessarily be useful to people because ln's are not easily understood by the general population. So what's going to happen is we're going to take ln of 1 plus r and present it as a Maclaurin series. So ln of 1 plus r equals r minus r squared over 2 plus r cubed over 3 minus dot dot dot, and it goes on and on and on. Since r is a rate of return, the absolute value of r is less than 1. Theoretically, you could have a negative rate of return, but that wouldn't really make sense for an investment in a savings account. So, since r is small, the terms of the Maclaurin series may be neglected, so ln of 1 plus r equals approximately r, which is the first term in the Maclaurin series. So, what we get is n equals ln of 2 over r equals 0.693 over r, which is approximately 0.7 over r, or 70 over x, where r equals x%. This is called the rule of 70, and it makes it easier for us to understand how long it takes to double an investment in a savings account on a given rate of return. So what I mean by the rule of 70, if you take the number 70 and divide it by the percentage rate of return in an investment, you should get the approximate time that it takes to double your investment. So for 1%, you get 70 years, 2% 35, 5% 14, and so on. If we look at the ln equation, which is the exact amount, they almost identically match the rule of 70, which we made by expanding ln of 1 plus r into a Maclaurin series. So we get the rule of 70. At x%, your investment will double in approximately 70 over x years. Calculus, an infinite series, helped us to determine this. Moral of the story, Maclaurin series makes everything easier and helps us understand complex functions in a much simpler and more algebraic way. These are my sources.